Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Tuesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 11th of June 2024. US Dow Jones rose 0.18%, settling the day at 38,868.04 while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,192.66, rising 0.35%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 39,192.63 and Hang Seng is trading at 18,131.89. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 23,289.50, indicating a muted start for the Indian market. FII bought 2,572.38 in the cash market in the last trading session. Centre authorizes release of 1.39 lakh rupees crore tax devolution to states for June. Equity mutual funds see record 34,697 crore rupees inflows in May, data released by AMFI. Rahul Bhatia's promoter entity Integlobe Enterprises Private Limited plans to sell stake worth $394 million in Indigo Airlines. Now talking about global aspects, China, the biggest official sector buyer of gold, is expected to resume its bullion shopping spree once prices ease from the record highs hit in May. Apple partners with OpenAI to bring deeper ChatGPT integration into iPhone, Mac, iPad. Oil prices rose, extending the previous day's rally on hopes of higher seasonal fuel demand and potential US crude purchases for its petroleum reserve. WTI rose 2.9% to settle at $77.74, while Brent rose 2.5% to settle at $81.63 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 104.74. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.45%. Here is a recap of Monday's trading session. On Monday, the Indian benchmark equity indices, Sensex and Nifty 50, commenced the trading session by reaching unprecedented record highs. After reaching new record highs at 77,079.04 and 23,411.90, the Sensex and Nifty closed the day at 76,490.08 and 23,259.20, respectively. This surge was predominantly fueled by stellar performances exhibited by index heavyweight Reliance Industries and banking stocks. Outlook for the day. In Nifty, it appears probable that the index will continue to adhere to this range-bound behavior, with movements expected to hover within the boundaries of 22,600 to 23,400. 22,800 to 23,000 will act as short-term support, while 23,400 to 23,500 will act as the hurdle for further upside. For Bank Nifty, the key support levels are positioned at 49,000 and 48,500, while significant resistance lies within the 50,200 to 50,600 zone. Currently, the market appears to be consolidating, with 50,200 serving as an immediate resistance and 49,200 as a nearby support level. Moreover, the prices are currently trading above the 55-day EMA, indicating a continuation of bullish sentiment in the short term. Stocks on radar are Fertilizers and Chemicals Travancore, NFL, Titagar, Dhanuka, rallies. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.